Despite the conflict between Russia and Ukraine, Philippine Defense Secretary Delphine Lorenzana announced that the contract for 17 Russian-made Mi-17 helicopters will be not cancelled. The helicopter procurement project is a multi-year procurement contract, and the delivery of the first batch will be in 24 months. The Mi-17 contract, worth 12.7 billion Philippine pesos, was signed last November, and the prepayment was made last January. In 2019, the Philippine Air Force is said to have expressed an interest in purchasing 17 Mi-17 helicopters for its heavy-lift helicopter requirement. The helicopter is Mi-17-1 variant, a slightly modified version of Kazan Mi-8 MTV. The Mi-17, NATO reporting name HIP, is a Soviet-designed Russian military helicopter family in production at two factories in Kazan and Ulan-Ude. It is known as the Mi-8M series in Russian service, and the Mi-17 is for export. The helicopter is mostly used as a medium twin-turbine transport helicopter, as well as an armed gunship version. The Mi-17 made its first flight in 1975. Mass production began in 1977. The helicopter has the length of 25.35 meters. Main rotor diameter is 21.29 meters. Height is 4.76 meters. Maximum takeoff weight is 13 tons. This helicopter has a crew of 3, including pilot, co-pilot, and flight engineer. The difference between Mi-17 and Mi-8M is in the tail rotor. On the Mi-17, it was repositioned and is located on the left side, while the original Mi-8, a tail rotor, is on the right side. The Mi-17 also has several other minor improvements, such as new rotor hub made of titanium alloy, different electric grid, and so on. Developed from the basic Mi-8 airframe, the Mi-17 was fitted with the larger Klimov TV3-117MT engines, rotors, and transmission developed for the Mi-14, along with fuselage improvements for heavier loads. The helicopter can reach a maximum speed of 250 km per hour, a range of 495 km. The Mi-17 can carry 24 passengers and even small vehicles. It has a 4,000 kilograms internal payload capacity. Alternatively, it can carry underslung loads weighing up to 3,000 kilograms. The older versions of the Mi-17 have two clamshell rear doors. However, newer versions have a single ramped tap door. The Mi-17 can be armed with window-mounted 7.62mm and 12.7mm machine guns. There are dedicated armed versions of this helicopter that can carry up to 1,500 kilograms of weapons externally. These include various anti-tank or air-to-air missiles, bombs, as well as ports with 57 and 80mm unguided rockets, or even a nose-mounted 20mm cannon. On improved versions, Mi-17 is equipped with a cockpit compatible with night vision goggles, forward-looking infrared and laser-range finder. In the Russian service, these helicopters are often fitted with extra cockpit armor, IR jammers, and flare dispensers. This transport helicopter widely exported both for military and civil operators. The Mi-8 and Mi-17 is in service with more than 70 air arms around the world. In recent months, the Philippines signed several deals to modernize its Asian military equipment. With the new Mi-17 helicopters, the Philippines will significantly increase the capacity of its helicopter fleet.